There is nothing I hate more than misinformation, hit pieces, and lies when it comes to assets. And you guys have to be very careful what information you come across out there. For example, stumbled across this article this morning: whales fleeing, Shiba Inu collapsing. And what this identifies and talks about is the 1.2 trillion Shiba Inus over the prior 24 hours that had been exchanged. And they're saying, oh yeah, this is the whales exiting Shib. Shib is in a downtrend. This is why we can't move up. And it's just a pure lie. All right. Shiba Inu whales actually surged yesterday, for example. 588% up in whale activity, 9 trillion Shib transacted. Now, what most people don't realize and pay attention to is that when it comes to whale holdings, since April, we have actually been in an uptrend. They have been accumulating. We actually started back in April at 573 trillion Shib held by whales. And you guys need to remember that 400 and some trillion of this is actually the burn wallet. So no, they don't hold that much. In fact, retail dominates Shiba Inu. And that we climbed from 573 trillion all the way up to 590 trillion. So they have actually added about 17 trillion to Shib to their bag over the past few months. They have been buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip. I've seen people say that, whales are the reason we can't move up and whales are manipulating it. And guys, understand that everybody's here to make money. All right. Yes, there will be whales that take profit. We actually saw a lot of it back here. Once we hit March, I believe there was a sell-off at that point. We went up to 580. We fell down to 570. Short-term profit takers are always in the game. But really, what you need is consistent trends. Now, Shib had a nice bounce back. The whales helped obviously push us back to the upside. Shib showing some resilience right now. Hopefully this continues as we get through the day and through the rest of the week. But really what we need to have more sustainable pumps is, like I've said many times, that outside retail, that outside excitement. Right now, the level of confidence in the market is very low as a whole. All right. We're not seeing a lot of new fresh capital flow in. We haven't since back here. It's the reason why Shib hasn't really been able to make some of these sustainable runs. We had an opportunity back here, but unfortunately, the broader crypto market dropped. It erased that opportunity, and we continued on our same downtrend. Now, again, guys, this is still a massive bull flag when it comes to Shiba Inu. It's amazing. Even with the wick down yesterday, we did not breach trend. It was a brutal one. It sucked, but we recovered. We bounced back in a strong way. Again, people were asking me, oh yeah, where did you see the 30% yesterday? Guys, if you measure from the bottom of this wick here, about right there, to the top here, it's actually 29 point some percent, but you guys get the point. Yesterday was a huge opportunity. I'm not saying that, that was the only opportunity that we have. I think this is still deep discounts when it comes to Shiba Inu, especially when we start talking about the future and prices that Shiba Inu may be able to hit. It may be tough to see right now. It's always tough when you're standing in the dip. It's always tough to identify, right? If you look back at the COVID crash in 2020, when you look at BTC and the overall crypto market, just think about how hard it was to stomach those drops at that time. But then what followed? Massive explosions in the market, right? Drops do get eaten up. Crypto adoption is not going anywhere. I saw somebody say that, oh, I think this is where many assets aren't going to make it. And yeah, there will be some ones that fall out. But if anything, if the fundamentals have shown us anything with Shiba Inu, is that it can withstand all of this. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.